Hey. Hi. Hiya.
Joom, joom, joom. Ba-dum, boom, boom,
Hello
boom.
there. This is easy.
What's up, everybody? My name is Charlie, aka It's LX, and today we're going to be unboxing and installing the Origin8 Rush Messenger front cargo rack for your bike. Y'all ready for this? I've been excited. Let's go.
Got me out here searching for something. One day, ain't no two-way traffic. I'm out here navigating my own lane. It's okay, it's okay. The road less traveled.
Right on, y'all. Well, let's get right to it. First off, I want to give a shout out to Planet Cyclery for getting this thing here like super fast. Got it here in 2 days. They promised 4. I ordered it off of eBay, and turns out the bike shop's in my town anyway. I could have just went and picked it up, but hey, it works out like that sometimes. But without any further ado, let's get right to it. Okay. Well, let's see what's in this box. What's
morning.
behind door number 1?
It's Lex. OG shit. Coffee bars. I'm different. Stand hard like y'all don't know what y'all missing. Me, bitches. Been in the kitchen, cooking hits and I'm pitching. Whip game. This hard ball and you might need you a mitten. No dipping. This a new game, but I can't stop this spitting. Stand hard like y'all don't know what y'all missing. Me, bitches. Been in the kitchen, cooking hits and I'm pitching. Whip game. This hard ball and you might need you a mitten. No dipping. This a new game, but I can't stop this spitting. Everybody jonesing for that realness.
Alrighty, let's see what we got here. Well, first off, we got a really big box. Not too much going on inside the box here, just the cargo rack itself. Couple screws jangling around down in there. Yeah, that's about it. Not a whole lot going on. No instructions that I see. But it's nice and wrapped up in a plastic bag. Keep it from getting scratched up temporarily. But you know what's going to happen to that, so don't get too fond of that. And here we go. Unwrap these things for you. You'll see that, again, ain't too much going on here. Just some real basic stuff. I figured they assume that you're smart enough, you can put it together. But if not, you can come watch videos like this. Right on, y'all. Well, we got everything out of the box here, and pretty straightforward. We got the cargo rack here and some simple mounting hardware. Nothing extravagant, pretty simple. No instructions to boot. Got a tag here that tells you what it is, but we already know what that is. So without any further ado, let's go. All right, y'all. Well, here we go. And these are the tools we're going to be using today. Pretty simple. Just a hex set and a pair of pliers or a wrench of some sort and a 15 millimeter for your bike rim or whatever your rim takes or whatever your wheel takes. And this is going to be the bike that I'm going to be applying this thing to today. It was actually an alley find, but you know, sometimes one man's trash is another man's treasure. So I actually built it to sell, and then I determined, you know what, I can make more money with this thing than for this thing. So I said, forget it, I'm going to keep it and do some cool stuff to it. So this is how we ended up where we're at right now. So I hope you guys enjoying the video so far. This is the baby, and let's get started. Let's go.
Better and better. Better and better. Better and better.
Bet it up.
It's a let.
Bet on yourself. All in. If you don't, who will? Better yourself. Number 1, it is what it is. Settle your debts.
Pay up.
Pay all your bills. Take all the rest. Invest in yourself. You better than credit they give. Bet on yourself. All in. If you don't, who will? Better yourself. Number 1, it is what it is. Settle your debts.
Pay up.
Pay all your bills, take all the rest. Invest in yourself, you better than credit they give.
Just letting you know.
Stay with that drip, that boy I done slid in the dough. Give him some more. All in the kitchen, getting that grease on the floor. Brew up some Joe. Check my releases, putting together some pieces. Roll up the smoke. Hit up my people, tell them my love is for show. Jump in the yo. Stay in the building, making some room to grow. Switch up the flow. I'm out of this world, they too one-dimensional. I'm on the roll. My biggest fan, impressing myself the most. Don't need a host. Been on the farm, raised me a couple of goats. Don't need a toast. Don't need no flowers. Never been one for the showers. Never fit in. Guess I'm a mutant. Had to go conquer my powers. In for the win. Yo, I'm a starter. Never come off of the bench. Your game is garbage. I bag up the trash. Hopefully killing the stench. Give me a wrench. Give me an inch. Wake them up out of they sleep. I give them a pinch. Looking for change. No, I can give you a cent. This shit is a cinch. Invest in yourself, cause money ain't really about shit. Yeah, you can save it, but you can't trade it out for time in the end. Bet on yourself.
All in.
If you don't, who will? Better yourself.
Number one,
It is what it is. Settle your debts.
pay up.
Pay all your bills, take all the rest. Invest in yourself, you better than credit they give. Bet on yourself.
All in.
If you don't, who will? Better yourself.
Number one,
It is what it is. Settle your debts.
pay up.
Pay all your bills, take all the rest. Invest in yourself, you better than credit they give. Good as the rest. Clock in. I'm on the clock right now. I'm on the clock right now. I'm on the clock right now.
That's real.
I'm on the clock right now. I'm on the clock right now.
Real recognize real.
I'm on the clock right now.
Boss shit.
I'm on the clock right now.
Hands up.
I'm on the clock right now.
That's right.
I'm on the clock right now. I'm on the clock right now.
You know who it is.
Right now. I'm on the clock right now.
It's select.
I'm on the clock right now. I'm on the clock right now. I'm on the clock right now.
Do work.
Damn, boy, you got this shit.
Locked in.
Something how you drop this shit.
Every time.
I'ma unlock this bitch. No knock, fuck a key, I'm it.
Turned up.
Go ahead, get that bitch a turn, twist. I'ma need something else to burn, lit. Everything I touch is firm, grip. Long time doing that dirt, filth. No, I'm worthy, got gifts, yeah. Fools and repeat like gifts, yeah. Cool, but I got that heat, player. Sweating out in AC, yeah. Boutique niggas, they need clear. Ball so hard in the game, unchanged. Sometimes I think I need new hair. Oh, yeah. Twist, 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 boo. I wanna see that body move. Jump in the gym and put in that work. Now I wanna show you what I can do. Real caveman, understand my tools. Working that stick, got hockey moves. Clean up the slop, I'm mopping up fools. In for the win, I'm not gon'
Right on, y'all. Well, that was most of the dirty work right there. Now we're going to get to just finishing the assembly of this. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Just now attached to the brackets that you've now attached to your bike. And it might take a little bit of finagling, a little bit of finessing here and there, but should go pretty smoothly for you. Just keep in mind that that bracket on your brake arm is definitely flexible. I wouldn't suggest going and just bending the heck out of it, because you don't know, you don't want to break it and you'll be buying a new one or searching for a replacement. But it is definitely flexible. So if you need to move that thing around just a little bit to get your rack level and set like you want to, don't be afraid to flex on that a little bit. Don't forget to tighten everything down, check everything. Make sure it's level before you tighten everything down, because otherwise, you're going to definitely be going back and checking it. Right now, I'm just making sure everything is attached firmly. Nothing is torqued down yet. I want to see it get level. And then here we go. Let's go level this thing out. Really just a matter of tweaking it out, making sure your brakes work, making sure everything's attached properly, torqued down. Don't forget about your arms. Don't forget about your truss arms. Excuse me. Yeah, don't forget to tighten those down, because that could be an issue. Don't want your stuff to come sliding off or those screws to come out, because as you know, then you're gonna have to replace them. But anyway, enough of me talking. Y'all can see what's going on here. If you got any questions, definitely reach out down in the comments, and I'll try to answer them if I can, to the best that I can. All right. Thank you.
I don't need
in the middle, son, and see you at the top. Spent my whole life up middle, son, and listening a lot. And to me, I knew it'll.
Appreciate you checking me out. All the music on this video was produced by me and made by me. Thank you very much. And I hope to see you soon. Check out some of my music on the same channel. Funk the Empire Music Official. Share it with your friends. Peace. And good luck.
Let's go. It's game time, always. Get my man Angela Salencia on the beat. And it's Alex. Hey. Boy, we come together, it's like Black Man and Robin in this bitch. You know shit about to go down. Pow. It's Alex. Screaming, who got next? You? Who got next? You? Who holding down the pen? Tell me who writes checks?